nice early morning, nice and cool out. We're going to try to get to that turbo resonator thingy. So I'm going to take all the stuff off above it. I don't know if you necessarily need to if you know what you're doing, but I've never claimed to know what I'm doing. Okay, and I don't entirely know what's going on here. I hope that I don't need to add harness parts, because I really don't think they do that from the factory. So I'll have to ask my buddy Dom what that is, or just look it up online. What do I need? Does this just pull off? Of course it does. Huh. And we need a flathead or a hex. I wonder if that's just a heater. That's what they are on the Volkswagens. There's just a little tube that makes sure that all the fluids going in there from the crankcase are hot. I'm not a huge fan of that being, well, I guess it has to be pre-turbo, doesn't it? That's what I get working on normally aspirated stuff for years. Yeah? That's right, practice with that little fake lawnmower so you can cut the grass for me in the future. Oh, here's my... Ew, oh god. How much play this thing has. Oh, it's actually not that bad. There's no way this is original turbo. That turbo doesn't have 300,000 on it. No way, no how. Probably a good opportunity to clean the MAF too while this is apart. Let's see. It's rigid, so I wonder if there's probably an O-ring that shoves that up in there. They gave me a new hose clamp for the bottom, but this one looks pretty recent. Is that enough? Mm. Yep. Off you go. That probably bolts into something. I'll have to get below, take a look. So, see right here, there's two screws that hold that resonator on. So, I'm gonna take, I wonder what Mercedes uses. I want to say those are 10mm. Let's find out. Okay, which way does this wrench go? There we go, that's lefty loosies. And, yeah, it's a 10. Yeah. And it's not. Oh, nice. I was worried some orangutan would have put it in. Okay, so those are 10s. I'm gonna make more space, get the camera out of here. We'll pull it out the top after these bolts are out. Okay, so bolts are undone. Not that bad. That should just wiggle out of here. Yep, there's a little O-ring. Don't see any leaks. I'm looking around a bench a little closer. Okay, allegedly these leak at the seam. Well, maybe. I mean, there's a big hole there that isn't full of grime. And it could just be separating under pressure. It wouldn't take much, but you get a new piece. Oh, when you pay a little extra, I think this was 95 bucks, but the tube itself is nice and thick. The arm coming off it, nice and thick. It uses the factory O-ring. This is the way to go. So pick that thing out and clean it up. Nice, it's still pretty pliable. This probably isn't the original either. I'd imagine they've probably gone through a couple of them. Ah, this stuff's pretty good. It's Parker O-ring lube. Oh, that's quite a bit. That helps things slide in, and it's safe for pretty much every O-ring on the planet. So. Yep. Okay, should be, yeah, this angle. Yeah. Okay, that popped in. I'm not gonna put the bottom hose on until I have it bolted to the side from underneath. Okay, here's how they line up. The camera's being an asshole, so I'm gonna let it charge. We're just going to be putting hoses back together, so it's pretty simple from here on out. Okay, got that pipe in, and then realized that I have a new air filter, so this is a good opportunity to throw that on. Yeah, it's just gonna be easier with this pipe off since it's so quick anyway. And if I'm taking this top off to do an air filter, maybe we will go ahead and clean the math. It's just, I probably should. What's this down here? Air temp? No, well, I guess it would be intake air temperature. How the hell does that come off? In small hands. There we go. Clip on the side. Yep. Oh, it's got little clips on the back. So you don't need to be an animal with it. I bet this thing is filthy, but really surprised. The little gauge is red. Oh! Yeah. That's nasty. Okay, good thing we got a new one. Like, I mean, I've seen worse, but to have it collapsed like that, maybe that's why we were under boosting. I just couldn't get enough air in. Yep, I went ahead and spent the extra couple dollars for the one that has the foam. So, should be pretty nice. It's supposed to fit. It says they all fit. Yeah, is that cool? It's pretty cool. Sun approves the air filter, so it must be good. Yep. Here, you can have the dirty one. Owie. Did you hurt your finger? Maybe you shouldn't do whatever it was you were doing.
Owie.
Heavy? No, or owie? You got an owie? I don't see one. You look fine to me. Okay, before I put that top on, I'm going to clean that mass airflow.